Hello everyone. Now we are going to do this question, which is consider the change in oxidation stage or bromine corresponding to different EMF values as shown in the diagram below. So Br04 minus gives Br03 and Br03 on 1.5 volt gives HBr4, and on 1.595 volt it will give Br2, and when it's 1.0652 volt it's gives Br minus. Then the species undergoing this proportion is Br03 minus, Br2, Br04 minus, and HBr0. So basically what we have to find out in this question, we have to find out the species which is undergoing disproportion. So out of this reaction we have to find out which of the species is undergoing. So let's see. The answer is when HBRO gives Br2, so the electrode potential will be 1.595 volt, and when HBRO gives Br03 minus, the electrode potential will be 1.5 volt. So basically electrode cell for the disproportionation of HBRO is E naught cell is equal to E naught HBRO Br2 minus E naught Br03 HBRO. So basically 1.5945 minus 1.5, which is of these gives 0.095, which is positive. So the correct answer will be the answer 4th. Okay, so yeah, the correct answer will be answer 4th, which is HBRO, having the species which undergoing disproportion. Thank you everyone.